Hello! Right, I've got a really quick video for you here today. It's not a video I saw myself making, but after the last video stunk so bad. That's right, it still had less than 1,000 views a month on. It got me thinking about the channel, the direction of the channel, the cars that are on the channel. So I started this as the MK2 Golf Channel on my drive with an iPhone and a selfie stick. And kind of that was it. But now as the channel's grown and there's 7,500 of you almost subscribed to this channel at the moment, and some videos will get thousands and thousands of views, others not so many. But still, I want to make content that's engaging for you guys and ultimately content I want to make for myself as well, because I've got a lot of cars in the barn that I need to get through. As you can imagine, I've bought a lot of cars that kind of aren't really going anywhere at the minute, so I need to get on with them and get them done, and I hope you'll come along with me for the ride. Going forward, to get some broader appeal maybe to the channel, because I worry that people look at a video, think, oh, I really like that, and then, oh, MK2 Golf Channel, I don't really want to know about MK2 Golfs. But then also there's some of you absolute OG subscribers, and I see you in the comments, and I really do appreciate it, who comment video after video after video. So thank you for sticking around, and I hope you'll stick around going forward. So we're here in the barn. We've got the guys around. I mean, we refer to it as Barn Club. So guys, I think this is it. This is the new direction in the channel. So welcome to Barn Club Cars. But that doesn't mean it's over for the MK2 Golf Channel. Far from it. Think of channels like Donut Media that have Donut Media and then a whole host of playlists. The MK2 Golf Channel is going to live on. So if you want to get your fix of MK2 Golf content, it's still here. You don't have to go anywhere else. Let me know in the comments, what videos do you want to see? Is there a particular project you want to see us get finished? We're going to do some work on the T5. Max Peding Rods reached out to us and said, hey Tim, it looks like you might need a turbo for that van. So here we are down here. They've kindly sent us one. We're going to get that fitted in an upcoming video. But then we've got barn finds. Again, I know some of you guys are desperate to see that done as well. And we've got some big updates coming on that as well. Plus, we might even go and buy some more cars. I know, but this barn doesn't pay for itself. So maybe I might have to buy some cars, do a little bit of work and flip it for a profit just to keep the lights on here. But still, look, I hope you'll stick around. Really appreciate you guys who have been with us on this journey so far. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.